Hey there, it's Kimmay, and I am highlighting for you today the Thinx Hi-Waist period panty. If you don't know who I am, I have over a decade of experience supporting people to say hooray inside, outside, and underneath as an undergarment educator and self-love coach. I am also a proud Thinx leader, and I'm a bleeder. I am a real menstruating human, and if you are too, then this video is for you. I actually love the entire Thinx line. I've been a huge fan for a long time, way before I was a Thinx leader, and yet this particular style is one of my personal favorites, so I'm going to highlight it for you today. In fact, I was wearing it way back in the day when there was a lace version. They don't even make this version anymore, and in fact the lace has been replaced with a mesh, which is great because the mesh is way more durable and a lot softer. But this is how long I have been a fan of this product. So the current version I like for many reasons. One being the style. This has such a cute retro look and feel to it. In fact, I've paired this style with some really hot, sexy looks in my photo shoots in Paris because, hello, it's so cute. It has an opaque front and back, and then on the side are these sheer mesh panels, which are really soft and really comfortable, and a super thin ribbon elastic. The other reason that I really like this particular style is because of all of the different colors that it comes in. I personally have black. I also have the ocean, which is this gorgeous blue color. I love it. And their site has so many different options right now, and they're always adding more styles. So go check it out and see what they have today. One of the other reasons that I love this style so much is because of the size range. I love it when companies include lots of different sizes. I personally wear the medium, which feels really good for me, but this style comes in extra small to 3XL. For now, we'll see if they expand it, but that's what they have currently. And just a pro tip, their Speaks line, which uses very similar technology, goes up to a 5XL. Okay, another reason I like this so much is because of the coverage. One of the things during my period that I get and have to deal with are cramps and bloating, and there's something about this high waist style and that nice little hug that it gives that makes me feel really supported and taken care of. Another reason that I like them is because, they work! I was really skeptical when I first tried Thinx, and I was a avid tampon user, and so I gave them a try and I was blown away. One of the reasons that they work as a period underwear is because they have 4 layers of material working on your behalf. The number one is against your body, which is a soft cotton, and that is moisture wicking. Then they have an odor eliminating, or I guess odor controlling layer. Then they have a super absorbent layer, and then they have the leak resistant layer. All of that works together for you in a really thin gusset. So almost like you're getting the benefits of wearing a pad, or that same kind of idea, but way thinner and also way more stylish and built into your underwear. Okay, so you have to remember, Thinx is designed to absorb a certain amount of fluid, and each style has a different absorbency. This particular style is built to absorb 2 regular tampons worth of fluid or blood. There is a limit, and it's just like anything else that's absorbent, and so you have to know your flow, as they say. And Thinx actually has a really great tool for you to do that, so you can get to know what level of absorbency you need to help you say hooray. So this particular style is for 2 tampons worth, which I think is really awesome to wear at night. You can wear them in replacement of tampons or pads or a cup, or you can use them leading up to or at the tail end. That's actually one of my favorite ways to wear Thinx, because you never know, like even if you track your period or you know when it's coming or you're super regular, which I don't know anyone who's really regular, you don't really know what time of day it's going to come. So imagine if you're in an important meeting, or you're driving the kids to school, or you're on an 8-hour flight to Paris in the window seat, which is often me. You don't have to worry about it starting and suddenly going, is that it? Is it not? Should I go to the bathroom? I don't know. You are completely covered. At the tail end, it's really great because you have those days where it's just like not tampon worthy, or you think it stopped but you're not sure, and then it starts and then you stained your underwear. So these are really great for that. And in essence, it can kind of replace panty liners in a way. Okay, So if you want to save some money on your own pair of Thinx, I highly encourage you to try out the high waist style. Try a bunch of different styles, see what works for you. Everybody's flow is different, and I have way more information for you over on hurraykimmay.com/Thinx, and you can get that $10 off by going to shethinx.com/Kimmay. You get $10, I get a thank you, and that helps me do the work that I do for you. Hooray! This is all my effort to help you say hooray inside, outside, and of course, underneath. Until next time.